Hello, guys, and welcome back to Reality Dish TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, to make sure that you share this video, guys. His name Selik went to a certain podcast interview on YouTube and talked about her relationship with her dad's wives, and she talked about Umaxele relationship with her, you guys. She had nothing but the best praises about Umaxele, stating that Maxele has been nothing but a mother figure to her, you guys, from a very young age. She also spoke about her mother's relationship with Umaxele. So up next, I am just gonna go ahead and insert that video. But before I do that, do make sure that you do engage with me in the comment section. Of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video.
To, or do you also find yourself uhamba uyokhuluma nalaba abanye ibond yakho kahle kahle ikuba imacele kakhulu?
Yes, ibond yami ngimacele ngoba umacele ngiyakwazi yena umacele since I was young wayikwazi ukuthi yes, even uma wami eseshona wahamba ngimacele, okay, engakushoni but bake baba nokutwistana umama nomacele, and then kodwa babuye bayilungisa izinto bathi wazi wangitshela umama athi sinenanga uma wakho umacele ngikushiya kumacele.
Okay.
So I think uma mhlawumbe wayesebenza ukuthi ngizosheshe ngishiye ingane yami, so ingake kufanele ngihambe ngiyolungisa izinto nomacele njengoba ibona umacele every time emvikele, even noma ngika boyfriend kababa wengane macele ngikhushu nangiseqhamuka, wow kwenzakalani kodwa ngoba indlela angithanda ngayo, yes yazi macele ngisho ukuthi mina akekho umzali ongakuzali angathatha even nengane yakho akukhulisele yona. Mina angikhiphi lutho uthando, angikhiphi lutho ngabe ngiqamba ngabe ngidlala ngomacele, angikhiphi lutho.
And lonto leyo is goes to show uthando lakhe luhambela liphile kuphele kuba aliphilanga kuwena laqhubeka
Yes.
you know, that's love that you can't get anywhere, more especially if umuntu ongakuzalanga. And we can all say oh stepmother but banjani, we all hear those evil stories about a stepmother, but umacele is a contrast or a opposite yalo muntu lo, because I believe now is name kukhona lapho ukushaya ngaphakathi uthi yazi I don't think my life would be like this if it wasn't for her.
Yeah, qinisile, it's fine.
Yabo kukhona lapho ubunsi yabo, but kube khona lapho intwistana khona. Don't you feel like sometimes kuye ukuthi mhlambe maybe now you take things maybe too personal again, even though maybe mhlambe ekhuza, because she treats you like a child, when sometimes even though big cause it's enungayenzi into, when sometimes you oyithathi kahle
Kona nalokho ngoba siyazi ukuthi sibadala, so manje besibadala sazi ukuthi siyakwazi ukuziphatha, we at that phase ukuthi siyakwazi ukuziphatha, but at the end of the day mesekhaba futhi iqiniso must be told, siyingane emehlweni abazalini bethu, you know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, we need how do you feel ukuthi umacele, does she treat you like ingane, and do you feel ukuthi it's too much sometimes?
Umacele shemi if engikhuza ngibe nalokuthi oh wow ngithithisa kwengane ngibe ngizibona mina ukuthi umdala, kodwa sometimes ngibona ukuthi uyangisiza ekugcineni ngoba ngisaphansi kwephahla lakhe ngingane, so fanele ngilalele ngilalele njengengane zonke la egcina no ngisayingane, fanele ngitreat ngale ndlela engitreat, hayi ukuthi usuke ngihlukumeza mengikhuza, usuke ngitshela into eyiyona iqiniso.
Yes. No, definitely.
because phela ayikho into ngathi ungayenza, like at the end of the day she's a mother and she will always look after you as ingane. In terms of like when ake manje as usne as umuntu ofuna ukuthi naye akhule abe umuntu like empilweni, I know the shows are going around and everything, but I'm sure now you had your own plans and your own dreams and namaphupho unawo ukuthi what was